Molweni ekhaya yenye episode andihamba ndedwa ndihamba no Mr Brown. He's a political activist. He's also in sports. Mr Brown kunjani se?
Oy sharp kunjani MK?
Ndiyaphila nami. Not wonke umuntu osilandelayo ku MK uyakwazi, but I know ubuninzi lwabo luyakwazi. So bengicela uzintroduce and then usharele a bit about i-background yakho kwi-politics kunye na kwi-sports.
Okay.
Ba uqale kanjani?
Okay. Sure. MK mfethu. Okay, first of all, thanks for hosting me. Igama lami nguSiviwe Ngeno.
Okay.
Commonly known as Mr Brown. Ndihlala Ward 58.
Okay.
Kwi section ebizwa ba kuse uSundu Street ise Greenfield.
Okay.
Sure. So basically you know Maskula. Especially when you grow up emakhaya.
Yeah.
I-option ya sport iba yilento iba yisoccer.
Okay.
Ayikho enye into ke. So I grew up emakhaya ndizidlalela ibhola. Ukhula kwami ndiyithanda nepolitics. I realize ukuthi ama politics ngiyawathanda. At the age of I think I was 14.
Okay.
Ngike ngawalka about 30 minutes. Ndiyomamela i-speeches ka Nelson Mandela wayevakashe emakhaya. So that I can't miss it. Mangibuya umama wangishaya because nangisemncane.
Okay.
So
Okay.
aloko ngimlandelela, aloko ndilandelela indaba ye-politics up until ndafika nasemafemini. Emafemini ngifikele I think it was 2008, 2009.
Okay.
While I was still on probation and the elect to lead the masses, to lead about more than 2,000 workers, and I was very young.
Yeah.
Because ikhona lento abayibonile i-potential. I said, why not let me lead? And I was very lucky to lead under the current commissioner SSMA Mr. Xolani Nyamezela.
Okay.
I was very lucky to lead under abo Cedric Gina kwiNUMSA. I was very lucky to lead, to be welcomed ngabolo abo Osvato Nkomonye, Slumko Nondwangu.
Okay.
So I'm talking about leaders that were capable to lead, teaching me the constitution, how to articulate the position of the working class, how to represent the workers. So that's how I fell my politics. But my politics basically it's more like labor issues, labor matters. I was exposed semncane kuma labor matters whereby ndafunda imithetho and I represent abasebenzi with dignity and respect.
Yes.
I won so many cases. Yeah.
Okay.
Then in football, you know, football into yethu ngidlalile ke ibhola. Hayi kancane ngidlalile even ku Vodacom ku Tornado.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. So ufike nini? Ukufika kwakho eGauteng, ufika sewudlala ibhola or uzoyiqalela lapha eGauteng?
No. You know, like I'm saying kuwe MK. Xa umncinci, the only thing esiyaziyo thina kwi sport. Asazi ukuthi isport sinama codes, ama sport codes mani, sazi ibhola. So meaningly ndiqale ngisesemakhaya, mina ndingumuntu wasezilalini. So apha eGoli ndifike vele ibhola sendi-understand and ndiyidlala. Emakhaya ke you know mawukhona ukudribula kuba lulu uba i-superstar emakhaya.
Okay.
Then I was one of the biggest player emakhaya, but ngithe mandifika apha eJozi ayikhona ngathola izinja. I end up playing sometimes boma right back. I thought ngine skill. Ngiyakaboni imshina la eGoli. Then eGoli ndoda I find it hard to play soccer this side compared la ngibuya khona. Meaningly ibhola ndiqala emakhaya.
Okay. So usebenzise i-influence yakho ye-politics kakhulu kwi-sports. So tell me, what inspired you ngokuba uqale ngokuhosta ama-community tournaments? Because I think this year we'll be celebrating the 3rd annual Yama 158 community games.
Okay.
Yeah. So what actually inspired you into hosting wona loma soccer tournaments, and then yaqala kanjani yonke leya initiative leya?
Look, when MK, it started like ngiyayithanda into enhle.
Okay.
If someone does something good, diba inspired and ndihalela ukuthi no man. Okay, we can siyayibona lento enhlenzwa ngalabantu. Can't we try basibonise ukuthi bayenza kanjani? Like
Yes.
extension 2. Mna ndithema ngifika la eEastern bengisidlalela eSoweto ne. eSoweto angidlalanga that much kuma tournament, bengidlala ileague.
Okay.
I was playing with league kwi BT Stars, umfulo BT Stars, ngahamba kumfulo BT Stars ngadlala kwi Tornado eJozi.
Okay.
So ngithema ngifika la, I think la ngifike 2013 2014 somewhere there, kwabe kunama tournament apha extension 2. Mangiya lapha it was mina bengayijwayelanga nalento, ubona ku packed lento inhle yabo.
Yes.
So ndikhulume nomnye uHrotman abathi ngishoes ushoes ebe I don't know ebe mhlambe beyi manager kwi snack or ebe co-coach noMevula.
Okay.
Mangikhuluma naye, hey this guy uthi no, you know what mfowethu konje ngibani, ndithi ndingoBrown ngwapi, ngimtshele ayangigwara, athi no woza la angibambele eceleni. Athi lento ilula yenza so but into funeke wena before wenza i-tournament woza la extension 2 uloku uzodlala ubukele, I mean uloku uzodlala ubukele lento yenziwa ngamanye ama-tournaments, organizers, so that you can learn, yabo.
Yes.
So mna ngiya lapha ngiyana ntoni nge-Green Stars, ngiye bangidle kwi last 16.
Okay.
Was 32 nidlwe last 16 ngishaya ibhohomo ngashaya sesifikile. Ndibuyele the following year. Mangibuyele the following year uShoes naye luckily sehlala eGreenfield. Njengoba ehlala eGreenfield uShoes ngiyambiza ejimini. Into engimbizela yona mina ngifuna information, ngiyabona this guy is very much informed, yabo.
Yes.
Especially ngento yaseKasi.
Okay.
So mangiloko ngithi kuye noba ngiyamgwara noba ukhuluma into mina ngiyamazi ukuthi as much as ngigwara ikhona into endiyilena apha ndimprovoke mayicala ukulo ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyathatha ngiyahlanganisa. So mangibuye second time la sidliwe kuma penalties nguTruski.
Okay.
I-ashes to ashes.
Yeah.
Mind you, during the tournament no Truski besenze enye imishimishi la. You know what, besingalali, I'm coaching iGreen Stars, is coaching iAshes. iAshes yakhe mna kwiGreen Stars ngifike ngathathwa kusikhulu. So mangizodlala i-first game yami, mangizoyidlala ngidlala nenye team, angilali ngizala iphola pha kwakhe, we prepared the game, i-game plan yonke into.
Yeah.
I-third game yami was against iSnack leka Shoes lo ngifunde kuyizinto.
Okay.
Ngazala kuThuske sahlala phansi sabonisana ukuthi wathi wina that side nami ngizowina ngapha. Itosi yasihlanganisa kuma semi-final, then wabuya ngishaya kuphi kuma penalties. The whole tournament you can't believe ukuthi from 32 we didn't concede even one goal. From 32.
Yeah.
And benginama player ama-player wami beyi-12 ndinama under 15 ayi-2 edlala ku-first team, which is uMango. If you know Mango lo i-striker se-off.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah.
Was 15 years. Uloyiso center back was 15 years. Uqanda uOlwethu naye was 15 years, and they were playing regular, not ukuthi besibancengisa.
Okay.
So we push up until the semi-final, then unfortunately sadlwa kuma penalty. So I'm saying ukuthi ke ngafundiswa nguShoes into eziningi.
Okay.
Then ngathi mina Shoes ngifuna ukwenza i-top 8 eGreenfield. There's abantu bangithanda, you understand. Then yayikhula iGreenfield, yayikhula. Then we realize ukuthi no man, iGreenfield yakhula in terms of tournaments. Why can't we have Easter tournament? But this Easter tournament angifuni ukuyihostela eGreenfield.
Yeah.
Let me go and sell it ePola Park. I call uTaspush, I call uLwazi, I called uFire, I called uTusk.
Okay.
Yaba nguTaspush omdala.
uTaspush we Hot Stars.
Yes.
uLwazi wesesifikile.
Yes.
uFire we Petro.
Yes.
And then
Tuske we
Ashes, okay.
Yes. And that time Lwazi was not on
Sesifikile.
Sesifikile.
Okay.
Was a hashtag or United Boys.
Okay.
Then I called Ucila to Sesifikile. I said, look at us. I have a team. Mna mangizala ngizoza neGreenfield FC and sengiphumile kwiGreen Stars senginethenda la manje sengishayela into yami yeGreenfield Black Poison.
Okay.
Ngizoza neBlack Poison izoba yiGreen Stars ibe yiBlack Poison ibe Greenfield FC izoba yiBimbos.
Okay.
So mna ngizoza na 4. I'll make sure that ukuthi kwi-Easter yethu ngiza na 4.
Uzana 4.
Is Tuske uzoza neAshes, uLwazi uzoza neUnited Boys, uCila uzoza nesesifikile, uTaspush uzoza neHot Stars, uTamike uza nePetro. You see now sesinama team are guaranteed. Then what you gonna do will maneuver ukuthi sidonsa apha ama team. Then uTuske ebene influence kweMambas.
Okay.
Waletha iMambas ePolar Park. Then angikhohlwe iPhone wena. Mina ngazi ukuthi obvious iPhone enzokulandela. Then sahlanganisa suddenly ama team asibala i40. So we had to work around sawakhatha up until 32.
Up until 32.
Then
Yo.
mangiza ngizoyithengisa ke lento lena. Ngithengise abantu nabaready. But you know what? Okay, mayidlala i2.
Okay.
But asizuphotsha any team edlala i2. We start into yethu fresh.
Yes.
Then sahlala phansi savana. That mna I don't like this high position of being a chairperson. I'm good to lead on trenches. I can be a conveyor or I can be coordinator.
Yeah.
I don't want this high profile position.
Okay.
Then we said Taspush will be chairperson. Okay, who is going to deputize Taspush? Lwazi. Who's going to be our secretary? Tuske. Who's going to be deputy secretary? Tamike.
Okay.
A ground man izoba nguCila.
Okay.
Then when up round, don't worry about me, mina ngizoba khona. But I know ukuthi mangikhona izinto zizohlangana.
Okay.
You don't have to occupy a key strategic position ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuthi you can lead.
Okay.
So you can lead from the back.
That's profound. Okay.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
To being chairperson or secretary, sometimes lama position abanye abantu bayawa misinterpret. Ibe ngathi ngoku funeke ulandelwe ngonodola abathethayo. Unodola othethayo into oyithethisayo engena ideas. Wena you must take a final decision or awuthatha contrary view. So it doesn't work like that.
Okay.
So that's why ke mina ndithi I preferred ukuthi ndilead ngasemva not ngaphambili. So
okay.
that's how ke I tournament ya sePolar Park yaba nkulu and yaba successful. Unfortunately ke uyazi ukuthi into ehlanganiswe ngabantu abaningi.
Yeah.
Nentanda ziyavuleka. But xa kunentanda doesn't mean ukuthi xa kunentanda you becoming enemies.
Okay.
It means ukuthi anivenanga that time. But maningevananga that time it was a once off thing, then yaphela Easter tournament. Senzeka ye1 yaphela Easter tournament. So all I'm saying ukuthi njengoba sekune Ward 58 community games. Ward 58 community game, yes, yenza izoba
third annual this year.
Third annual this year.
Yeah.
Izalwa ngoba ngisengayi ward committee Ward 58.
Yes.
You remember Ward 58 ayikho se 103. Mina ndibuya ku-Prals I was a treasurer.
Okay.
Bendingunongxowa apha ndigcina amafa.
iPrals is a 103.
Ise 103.
Okay.
Manje bani-electile i-community ukuthi baba thatha umshini. Mangithatha umshini yabazo ofi banjani, they are politicians.
Yeah, okay.
Bandiyeka ndahlala i3 months.
Kwi-Prals.
Yes, kwi-Prals.
Kwi-Prals, okay.
Bandika dahlala ku 3 months. They know ukuthi I'm occupying a very, very strategic position kwi-sport, arts and culture and recreation. Yase what 58.
Yo.
You understand?
Yeah.
So now I can't. Policy of Prals is very clear. You can't do into fana ne Prals.
Yeah.
Because of remember your Prals, then rather ungabikho kwi-Prals. Then uOfi, hey, these guys are very clever. Kuma public meetings.
Okay.
Ubani raise isandla. Ucancel my address. Point of order. Our understanding as abahlali base Ward 58, we've elected uBrown kwi-portfolio ye-sport. Then uBrown njembe portfolio ye-sport simbone busy up and down on other ward. There's a serious contradiction within Brown. Is Arthur Brown asho ukuthi akekho available this side, I remain at that side. But we need to engage him first.
Yeah.
Kutsho bani? U-Ofi.
U-Ofi.
Then uward councillor, no, you are raising a key fundamental point. uBrown nzambizele office.
Yes.
Because this matter has been abantu bayi-raise kuma public meetings. Yabo?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then ndibize general meeting. At off you must call all the coaches as a Ward 58. Okay, ndibize general meeting bize sihlale phansi. Okay, Brown, we are not here to ukubulalela what you call it, italent yakho.
Okay.
Siyakubona you are very good in sport. Brown, you were elected, man, as a ward committee. Ward 58.
Ward 58.
Ubhizi kwenye ward, and lo muntu ubhizi naye kwenye ward is also a ward committee. Yabona?
Yes.
That they are referring to chairperson we prize uJemba, because must contest as contested draw wawina ngapha ngawina ngapha. Okay. That kuba mna ithini view yenu, but no Brown, because of thina sifuna ubona into eyenziwa e103 isenzeke 58.
Okay.
Let's form something. Noba yini, but wena sekufuna back ewadi. That there is no problem. And ayixelela iPrals nathi ambani yani kuPrals nifike ni table.
Okay. Okay.
They went to Prals. They tabled the matter. iPrals yangibiza. Ba abonse endoda. Kufike ama team ase Ward 58. I think there were 6 if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Athi azokcela baku release. Bazocela ukuthi siku release because kune conflict of interest, a direct conflict of interest.
Okay.
Because you are a ward committee this side, busy not, yabo?
On the other side.
Yes, on the other side. But what's your view? They are right. As a ward committee, ikona imalo ifumanayo every month. Oyinikezayo from umasipala.
From umasipala.
If now andizubana ama programs, u4 uzon George, because I must report ama monthly program as a Ward 58. So nizayithatha i monthly program ke mna if andikho se ward nyam ndibhizi nge ward yenye. That guys, there is no fight. Makudlule nje le Easter, then mna nizon release. That's where now Ward 58 ke Ward 58 committee games yavela khona.
Yeah.
That's why uthi nakulonyaka will be hosting a third annual.
Yes. Okay. You know, you've just given me I don't know if ngayibiza ngevalidation or green light now.
Yes.
But I've been asking abantu, especially abaseva as amaward committees, yabo?
Yes.
Because it's like it's kubo to us by portray as if baya volunteer, as if akuna ishinyana umasipala banikeza yona, yabo?
Yeah.
Of which baya bas defeat when we want to question them in terms of service delivery ngama portfolios wabo, yabo. But now that iku green light ke ngoku, but these people are getting paid,
Yes.
I'm coming for you guys.
No. It's true.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ukhona okuncane abakufumanayo
Abakufumanayo.
every month.
I didn't know.
Masipala is making sure that ukuthi siyasign.
Yeah.
Mawugqibo sign, umasipala wenza sure ukuthi uyayibhatala imali on your account. And each and every ward committee funeka ibe ne monthly report to umasipala. A monthly report ukuthi which program oyenzile. Each and every month there must be a program. If you look at mandenzela umzekelo Ward 58 ne.
Okay.
Mangithatha over. Ngayeka wonke ama team I formed a team ye Ward 58. I keep that team active so that lizoba ne monthly report. Then under 21 lizoba ne monthly report daba nama netball team anokudlala, but
Yes,
you know
yes.
I find certain politics kuma netball, which is I decided ukuthi you know what, andifuna ulwa nabantu beyithanda. If this le netball ayifuna uba organize the way ndifuna ngakhona,
Yeah.
let it be the way bayifuna ngakhona.
Abayifuna ngakhona.
So now I introduce under 17 ye Ward 58 so that I can have a monthly report.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
They do get something, and ward committee, there's a lot of benefits my ward committee.
Okay.
Uyakhona, let's say mhlambi aw achievanga academically, bayakhona ukubiza bathi itsho i-course ofuna ukuyenza. Umasipala uzokwenza if ufuna ukuqedelela i-matric, umasipala yakubiza akusesikolweni. There's a lot of benefit my ward committee, and ama ward committees kufanele asebenzele ntoni i-community
I-community.
bangasebenzeli the certain section.
Yeah.
If you look at i-squad sase Ward 58, mhlawumbe abanye abantu they don't understand ukuthi it's not only Greenfield. If you look at the players that I have, i-majority baningi abase-Pambridge, because what you call it, ndifuna uthi demarcation or ibizwa ntoni le nto le,
Okay. Ikhatha nasephambilini.
Pambridge.
Okay.
Greenfield
Libambe
ne-Pambridge.
Okay.
So
Okay.
mandenza into, I must make sure that ukuthi hlanganisa i-Pambridge ne-Greenfield ne-Promised Land.
Okay. Yiphi Promised Land?
Ikhona mo ye-Sky City.
Okay.
Kune mo ye-Sky City, before ufike e-Sky City kunenye i-T junction.
Okay.
Udlula kancane. Mawubheka ngaku-left kunemikhukhu elapha ya.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I-Promised Land.
I-Promised Land liya ndawo.
Okay. Thanda igama leli. Awufuna uhlala khona?
Sewuthe imikhukhu, so hayi. Hayi, if ever bewungachonga.
Ubuthongo man.
Hayi babe ungachonga ba imikhukhu ya benizothi ngiyafuna, but sewuchilo.
Ubuthongo buyafana basendlini mfundisi.
So sizongena apho i-politics isidibana khona ne-sports ke ngoku ne. How has your political role influenced involvement yakho kwi-sports development?
Look, politics ne lento ne sport
The
ne
sports, yes.
ziyalink ne zilinka, because the same wena ne ungaba politically active but ibhola uyayazi, you understand, or
Okay.
netball uyayazi or cricket uyayazi.
Okay.
I-language iba lula, so it's easy to link ezinto zombini zihambelana.
Yes.
Ndingathini i-football esikhathini esiningi or whatsoever sport ihambelana ne-talent.
Ne-talent, okay.
I-politics I don't think i-talent inobutalent phakathi. I-politics, that's why uthola sinama-political parties amaningi, or uthola umuntu oyi-1 enezikipa eziyi-7
Okay.
Zama
political parties are different.
Are different. Uthola lo mfolo bendimbona enxibe se-ANC.
Kufika ku-ANC
Ithini ngokulento
blender.
lo? Hayi senxibe se-MK.
Okay.
Hayi lo muntu ebenxibe se-MK hayi sekwi-EFF.
Sekwi-EFF.
Sekwi-DA.
Sekwi-PA.
Sekwi-PA. You understand?
Yeah.
So kanti akululanga ubona umuntu ebefavor iPirates umbone setshintshe favor Chiefs asuke kuChiefs aye kuSundowns.
Hayi.
Yenzeka lonto noba ngukhukuza yedwa umuntu esarotole.
And ngapha I think nami ndimndedwa because ngikhule in favor Sundowns.
Yes.
And then 2010 xa nifika apha eGauteng ifamily yonke favor iCoast.
Yes.
So because I team ye family ndavele ndafavor neCoast. But ke uma sesidlala zoyi2 I choose bani vele ngabukeli kwabukela.
Shukuthi wena uyazazi bo favor ntoni. Awufavor iCoast.
Favor Sundowns.
Favor
In
Sundowns.
favor
Xa
Sundowns.
iwinile iChiefs you don't have a problem. Mayiwinile iSundowns you don't have a
I
problem.
don't have a problem.
But as xa iSundowns idlala nePirates ufavor iSundowns.
Vele.
So namanje so wena kahle ifana nomntanami uMava bathengele omnye namthengele iChiefs omnye namthengele iPirates lo Chiefs ukwanele akachinji uMava uthe xa ifika egoli wathi engathi la ndandithengele iskipa esirong ngutata mina ndifuna le team
Ngifuna le usekafuna iCoast.
iSundowns
Ufuna iSundowns,
hayi
okay.
say Sundowns so lento le iyenzeka but ayenzeki
Kakhulu. No, kuyafumaneka. So do you see esports as a tool for political leadership and community engagement? Ubangaba yes kanjani?
you know isport ne kulula why kwisport
Okay.
kwisport akuzimntu omnye kanti mandenze umzekelo if iANC ibiza imeeting the only people abazoya kulo meeting
Kabe
ngabe
ANC.
ANC
Yes.
if iDA ibiza meeting abantu abazoya kulo meeting ngabantwana
Kabe DA.
ngabe DA but if iDA or iANC or iEFF decide to host a tournament or to host event sport
Yes.
asikhathali noba
Yeyiphi
party
Yeah.
if when you are easily persuaded ungagqibela sowutshintsha ufavor lo political party enza uphuhliso kwisport
Sport.
so if bekuthiwa mna ndiyi-leader ndi-leader a key strategic position let's mhlambe I was a ward councillor ndenza nje umzekelo
Okay.
benizogcina kwisport
Awuyifuni leya role vele.
I said topic of another day I don't think ndiyayifuna
Okay.
I don't think ndiyayifuna
Well, uyayifuna,
but
okay.
yabona ulutsha mawufuna uwina ulutsha
Yes.
yenza izinto zolutsha and ipower ikwilutsha and imajority yabantu abanintsha apha eSouth Africa
It's youth.
lulutsha
Yeah.
so let's say ubiza kubani le amapiano uKabza Desmond
Okay.
uyi ANC or
Any party.
uyenye party
Yeah.
uyibiza lapha ePola Park uthi kuzobakho bani uKabza Desmond nabani no DJ Maphorisa
DJ Maphorisa.
abantu abanofika lapho bangangakanani
Baninzi and from different parties.
uyangunderstand
Yes.
so ithi lento sports arts and culture and recreation so meaning ukwi right platform to win ulutsha but
Okay.
I fail to understand ukuthi the most politicians
Why is
they don't want to do this
Why banga invest?
they don't want 10,000 from your salary you take only 10,000 uthatha ground mothatha ground ubiza ama artist amancinci namadala entry fee wenza la ground entry fee 50 rand or 100 rand ubize one top DJ or one top artist iyo perform egcineni sebe performile how many people abazozi It's a part and parcel of giving back to the community, because immediately you host event, abantu bazozothengisa, abanye bazopheka, abanye bazoshoot, abanye bazodayisa ama t-shirt wabo.
Yeah.
It's a you understand? We have Indians, ne, who are owning shops.
Yes.
These Indians are not contributing in terms of votes. They are only making money. You make them to account. You tell them, look, let me make an example. La iPolar Park when MK.
Yes.
Let's say hlambe kunama shop I 50. So each and every shop, ne, it contribute 1,000 rand. 1,000 rand times 50 shop, 50,000.
That's 50K.
50K. Okay, because of Nina and vote, I'm not sure who buy battery tax. So your clients,
For the fact that the government you have a protector.
is no, it's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think by patala
Okay.
anyway, but asas.
Asas. Okay.
Asas.
Okay. Okay, let me say by battle, it's okay. The fact that nine vinki lapho sihlala khona, then kunama social services. A social services zinto ezifana nama event,
Okay.
is school event or whatsoever.
Yes.
Or nento eziphekisayo whatsoever, yabo.
Yes.
So the fact that ukuthi ama customer wenu sithi, therefore you must give back to the community.
Okay.
It should be compulsory for them ukuthi mabanikeze back to the community. Then we start to host ama event.
My events.
When nivula ama trust fund accounts, because the ama clients wabo sithi, you understand?
Okay.
So now bona benza ntoni to give back or to pay back to their clients? They must do something. They can't just bona bazenzele nje ibe imana from heaven. Batye nje profit. Banganikeze anything to the community.
Okay.
But it should be lento leyo ibe mhlambi kube ne trust fund account, ibe nabantu abayi-10,
Yes.
ibe zenziwe kuma public meetings, kwenziwa nama announcement. It can change even the lives of our people. Abangakhona uzenzela ama driver's license,
Exactly.
sibenzela ama learner's license, abafuna ukwenza ama security. We use this trust fund account. So it's very important ukuthi sike sibe ne dialogue and engage about labantu bangaphandle, ama Indians and
Amagula,
other,
yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
anama business la kuthi okay ninama business siyathenga, it's fine, it's okay. Nisenzela ntoni as the community?
As the community.
We need to have
Izinto
sort of
yeah.
into ezinje.
No. Ake abakhona amahemhem amongst thina abantu abatsha ubangaba we somewhere up enyakeni sizohlangana and then sibe nawo ama conversations aso planning ukuba ngaba sizoyikhuphula kanjani development community in terms of ama businesses wona.
Look MK, you know youth yenu ayifana leyo 1996.
Okay.
I mean 1976. Uyabona le ka 76 was fighting against segregation. Yayilwela amalungelo, is fighting against apartheid, ne? So now le yenu youth yawela ngumnqe esandleni.
Okay.
Yonke into ikuni isezandleni kanje. Imana umnotho ukuni. The only thing efanele niyenza ningoyiki uba vocal, ningoyiki uba independent, ningabi co-captured, nibe ngabantu baka Brown. Nizanicisha ntoni? Knowledge. So lento nanifuna uyenza it's ibalulekile. I will suggest ukuthi niyenze. If you guys need help, nisho ukuthi hey singamane sihlanganise ne what 58 nezindawo namanye ama-wards ukuthi let's raise sibe ne common goal. Nikwenzela umzekelo mhlambi kuthiwe wena MK kune construction eyenzakalayo apha ewadini or yenzakala kwenye ward.
Yes.
Le construction xa ifika funeke inikeze back to the community. Bakunikile contract. Okay, when uyasebenza, okay. Yintoni ozoyenzela le community kunikeze lo tender? Ukwenza lo clinic, ukwenza leso skolo, anything. So i-community must place mhlambi i-demand ngendlela e-right mhlambi ku-council nansi i-project. Kule project andithi labantu laba is compulsory ukuthi banikeze i-community social service. We understand ukuthi umasipala uthi akana mali. Then let's utilize laba ngale project ukuthi okay senzelana ama ground ke noba ningavele niyenze artificial ground umzekelo. Okay, senzeleni at least abantu abayi-50 or 100 ama-learners license. Then mna ngizozinyusa yenzela abantu ama-license if it needs be. Okay, let's identify also a scarce skill. How many artisans do we have in South Africa? Let's say mhlambi asinama artisan amaningi, ama-welder ayashort, ama-boiler maker ayashort, ama-fit and tenors ayashort, mechanical engineering ayashort. Thina we will identify isitha.
Okay,
kule sitha le nina don't give us cash, but alani kula sitha mhlambi so per section abantu abayi-100 bazohamba bayofunda lapho. At least izothi hamba le project iphela, so besiphethe certificate sithi le company le iya yasidevelopa ngendlela so all I'm saying ukuthi is very very important to talk about into eziso. And it's very very important ukuthi i-youth ihlangane nimanyane.
Yes.
Hayi ngokulwa ke ngoba abanye bathatha ngoba ne-energy ninji xa ngoba ne-energy ninji nithanda ukulwa izinto nibe diplomatic ku-engage ningademand, but we need ukuthi into ibekwe e-boardroom. If yanihlula ke boardroom khana ke ningaya endleleni.
Okay, I know ndiyabulela. Okay, so now let's have ifun encinci. Now kule fun le, the idea behind it is to pinpoint okanye to poke okanye to drop a spotlight to someone and say we recognize umsebenzi wakho, we recognize the performance yakho, and we recognize the leadership yakho kumphakathi. Yabo? Now I need you to give me top 5 yama best coaches owaziyo fielding so far.
Professional or local?
Odlala nawo especially kuma tournaments.
Top 5.
Top 5. I know there's more, but I need you to give me top 5.
Okay. You know, uzanibethisa.
I know.
But I like East Rand, the whole Gauteng, or even as Eastern Cape, only East Rand or the whole.
Aba usebenza nabo isikakhulu kulama tournaments owa attenda apho such as at the ground, eSomhlolo, extension 2.
Yes. I must also reason.
Yes, we must reason bangaba uthi no coach or so
coach,
and why usitsho kanjalo. Yes.
Okay. Number 1. Best coach. It's Luyanda.
Okay.
It's unknown coach. Ngumpheki. uLuyanda kwase Palmridge.
Okay.
Uhlale 103.
Okay, ucoacha iphi team?
Ucoacha Liverpool.
Okay.
uLuyanda produced
izobidlala kwi-Winter Games Liverpool. I saw by the time when designer le fixture yabo bangathi nibhalile into eno
Liverpool ne?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, okay. So mbona.
You know why I'm saying it's the best coach? uLuyanda produced best players like us.
Okay.
If you know uPogba Xhoxiswa udlala kwi-national team yaseLesotho.
Okay.
It's a product ka Luyanda.
Okay.
uShakes udlala naye kwi-national teams. uLuyanda udlala kwi-Black Leopard, ebedlala kwiSikhukhune. I mean ulona uPogba udlala kwiSikhukhune, udlala kwi-Black Leopards, udlalile kwi-Free State Stars.
Okay.
I'm talking about someone who produced a player iyofika kulento ku-professional level, iye nakwintoni nakwinational team.
Okay.
Izoba nguShakes udlalile kuJomo Cosmos udlala kwinational team yaseLesotho
Yaselusuthu, okay.
naye
Gama players aproduce nguLuyanda.
uLuyanda.
Okay.
PlayStation is a product kaLuyanda. PlayStation lo mfana ongumleft.
Okay.
Introducer kwiLiverpool. Yena akanandaba nokubethwa uLuyanda. He's got his own focus. Akanandaba nokudliwa. Introducer, I think PlayStation was 15 years. If it was not 16 years, somewhere there.
Okay.
So that's why ndikubuzile ukuthi the reason na.
Please. Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Maningi ama-player awaproducile.
Our producer.
Izoba nguBimbuzi.
Bimbos. Aw, boza.
You know, uBimbuzi is multi-talented. Umuntu multi-talented sometimes ubamba apha ayeka apha. Ayeka apha abamba apha. Une-eye ye-player.
Okay.
Liselincinci. Aphinde uBimbuzi akhona ukugroom ugoalkeeper. I can give you 3 best goalkeepers who were groomed by Bimbuzi.
Okay.
It's uChipezeze lumude ufikile ezandleni zikaBimbuzi wamlungisa.
Okay. Ubambela iphi team ngoku?
I think uzobambela iOff if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Ebevimbele eGreenfield FC.
Okay.
Ukhona umfana abathi nguBatheza omncane. I think sevimbele amaZayoni. It's not easy to produce a goalkeeper. Umkhande from umcala. Most of ama team amaningi
Amfumana seka.
amfumena seready. uBimbuzi ake saba uvimbisa ingane encane. If you look at ama team asekasi kaphe ePalmbridge nase Greenfield. Akululanga ukuthi i-team idlale without iplayer kaBimbuzi.
Okay.
Ay. Most abo 12 pack zi-products kaBimbuzi, abo pet zi-products kaBimbuzi. I'm talking about household names. Abo Obama bafikile kuBimbuzi baye iPhone wena. I'm talking about players azwa kakhulu.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
So uBimbuzi udlala indima kakhulu. Then izoba ku-coach Twitter.
Okay.
Yabona uTwitter why ndithi it's a great coach. uTwitter ngimlandele ecoacha iLyon, i-team yakhe. Mina bekhana bengila angimazi ukuthi ebesenzani before during COVID.
Okay.
Lokho ngiyamlandelela lo coach lo. Lokho ngiyamlandelela, hi man, this guy is doing well. During COVID I think wawina andana ba ama top 8 or ama top 16 but win tournament.
Okay.
Wawin about 21 tournaments during COVID. Yeah. Then uTwitter wayocoacha ifumu wayichinja yayi big team. Wayocoacha i-80 members. Okay. 80 members was already a big team but wawina ama-cup amaningi. Wahamba kwi-80 members wayocoacha ntoni? Iskepe. Makufona iskepe sicala. Mina usicala kwami usazi iskepe ngisazi ngabani? kuTwitter.
Okay.
Twitter wahamba wacoacha kwiskepe. The first tournament engimazi yowacala ngayo iwin. Yayisezamazama.
Okay.
I think was more, if it was not 100,000 was 120,000. Eyiwina ngeskepe. Then after that tournament kwanama Phillies games. During the Phillies games young twist. Uyangitext uTwitter. Hey Brown. Hey ikhona into ezovakala. Lithi hawu ndoda uya kuma Phillies games mos mina I'm expecting you kwiskepe. Ye Brown awume kancane ngeskepe mina. Yeah, athi thula wena.
Thula wena.
Athi mdagasi. Mdagasi. Ndibukele lo mdagasi uqala kwami ubona umdagasi mina ndibone kuma Phillies games.
Okay, okay.
Le team yancenga I think wadliwa kwi last 8 if I'm not mistaken. Dabona hey man, when I look at his setup yakhona, it's quality. Then waloko echubeka nomdagasi wawina ama tournament. And you know why I'm saying he's one of the best coaches uTwitter.
Yeah.
Akusibhene plus coach. And uTwitter is not easy ukuthi ungathi uTwitter ufavor ngama tournament organizers akawini kwi section A1 there are teams ubona ukuthi hey le team le itheni ngathi iwina to the certain section uTwitter uwinile Pambridge wayiqubula uwinile Thembisa wayiqubula uwinile Soweto wayiqubula wina ne Phillies games
yo
December uwini Phillies games wayewina namahlobo games maceda kuna mahlobo games uze Pambridge yothatha udisco so that's why I'm saying with Twitter ke yena andimazi ke apha building ama player ukuthi eliphi player building but what I know is la umtsire akhona uTwitter I mean wherever uTwitter akhona umtsire uzomlandela yes.
Okay
that's
so
number 3
yepi team uTwitter adlala ngayo
team Mdagas
okay
it's a coach of Mdagas now
okay
yes.
Okay
and then number 4 no it's Bimbos Luyanda
your
Twitter
yeah
uJux Mourinho
okay
Jux Mourinho win everything
ngoyepi team
uJux Mourinho ngoweArien to show that ukuthi winning it's habit kuyo uform iArien sewin itournament apha irregardless ukuthi inamalini apha Dexter I think if was not early this month last month
okay
no this month early this month uTwitter I mean ulona uJux uwina wonke ama tournament almost wonke ama tournament ewawina Aston Villa waya kuMamba is I think it's the first coach who winner i1 million a year
sure
uJux Mourinho wina inqwaba imali le kuShaka tournament wazowina inqwaba imali la le EFF
yeah
tournament EFF I don't know if wayithola nemali yakhe but wayewina la tournament uJux Mourinho
yeah
then another 100,000
you don't know if okay
wayefuna imali uchairman andani noba wagqibele ifumene or waxola na so that's coach number 4 ne
okay yeah that's coach number 4
the last one uDunga
okay
uDunga we Greenfield FC that guy is one of on coach
okay
he was my coach wa winning league just that angazi ukuthi uthe xa kuyeka lama player wakhe wagrumile wakhulisile
okay
wa lose interest ebowling but I don't know but what I know is maku host what 58 Greenfield zizobe khona I don't know if they play once a year now
yeah
but that guy
is
one of the greatest coaches
okay
he's very good kuma training akana star akancengi is one of the greatest coaches but wonke ama coach are good so it's unfortunate that when uye wanikeza 5 so angeke ngibize more but wonke ama coach are good but kufanele ngithini
yeah I want to give ama guest amanye azoza a chance ukuthi ba mention nabanye ngama mentionanga
yeah that, no
now let's drive to ama players
yes
give me top 5 yama best players owaziyo so far does it okay mawangabi ngama player we what 58
yes
mawube ngama players wamanye ama teams yabo because anifuna ba ama player wakho pha athi awena coach usfavor bani and then thina yabo so asiyeke team yakho and focus kwamanye ama team obviously besise Phillies games this weekend you do go kuma tournaments even if awudlali just to observe ubhekelele ne game so you know ama players oyazi ukuthi I player so ne player so you will never go wrong how approach alone kawapi
how many of them
5
okay look I'm not just a tournament organizer actually le tournament organizer into okugqibela njengoba mention ukuthi unibone
kuma Phillies games yeah
ungambone Soweto unibone eVal na ndiyahamba I love soccer
okay
yabo so iplayer elokuqala engibona ukuthi mina you will never go wrong kulo
okay
iplayer always comes to my mind ukuthi yabona manginobana lo akuno tournament engayidliwa Killer Mabhodo
Okay. Udlalela iphi team?
Killer Mabhodo I think udlala kwiVia Sport
Okay.
uKiller Mabhodo ungakora noba kunini is playing number 10 one of the best number 10 engeke ngambona mina left and right free kicks ukunikeza advantage
Yeah.
ama cracker dribbling ukwenza team idlale uyenza team ibe thick so that boy is too good just that ke uyazi ku PSL ngathi kugcwele imfama apha abantu abadinga izibacks
Yeah.
ukubona iplay
I think sometimes ebona le system e corruption eseyisebenza kakhulu apha eMzansi. Yiyo lezo siphathele imfama because you'd find ukuthi even if the best player ikhona there's a player ngapha enomadala one connections okwazi ukuthi yendoda because ndikufakile la nangu nyanami
lento le sometimes nama gatekeepers nama agent ayayibulala ibhola because ama agent if the agent in a relationship ne what 58 wonke ama player funeka ahambe ngala agent and nama team amaningi awezi emakasi lento yakudala azovumbulula ama player from ikasi if ama teams can implement lendaba kudala ukuthi hayi mina manje ngizoke ndizikhangelela uShivavaro lapha elokishini uzomthola uShivavaro
da
you understand
yeah
so yeah if banga approach kanjalo ibhola banga rely kuma agencies
okay
I think le player bayifunayo right bangayithola lula ebhuqini especially now i preseason kunama winter games go to Palmbridge ubukele winter games uzodobha iplayer lapha out of 32 teams kula bombi lapha uzoyidobha iplayer le uyifunayo
uyayibona and there's also these guys abashuta ePalmbridge guys ngicela ni subscribe ku channel yabo iDiscicast they have most yama games adlalayo pha ePalmbridge and then it's one channel ongayivakashela if ever usi scout and you are looking for ama players I'm telling you you'll never go wrong it's iDiscicast on YouTube.
Okay. Nama ndigcizelele ufuwe Discicast ne ithi function unique ku Facebook by uyayilike ufuwa yinja ufuwe was my colleague ne
okay
ku Prals
yeah number 2
layer number 2 player number 2 Soni Mgongo
okay
Masonwabe Soni Mgongo
abambiza ngomgongo
umculo omnandi
uhlekazi ngathi uyavala lelo gama
yinja la mfana uyalazi ibhola ulenza libe lula like uyaliqhekeza from kwivalve uyakhona ukattack uyakhona ukudefend
okay
uyakora ngizothini ubuyambukela lo mfana udlala kwiBarcelona uPedri
okay
mangibheka uSoni Mgongo ndibona uPedri very very good player okay. So to me iplayer manginoba nayo ndiyiphera noKiller Mabhodo is either ngibadlalisa on number 10 abayi2 bani attackele omnye ungase right omnye ungase left ba switch
okay
lapha ngimnandi
yeah
yes
okay player number 3 Mgongo udlalele iphi team
ebedlala isicathulo anganoba sekwesicathulo sika Medeme or uyibathini bona
okay
because kunalomntana uye wazalwa uyazi ebholeni kunjani
okay okay player number 3 asiyeke
player number 3 kunomfana odlala kwi Vultures
okay
Fichani but shoes
unxiba ujezi number 1
I'm not quite sure it's number 5 I think unxiba number 5 yeah number 5 if ingwaseval waseval
okay
hayi umnandi lo uyala yabona umkhele mayengekho shoes uthi Brown nabangijile Mona kishiwe. Awuna shoes.
Yeah.
Remember, I told the red card no Xavi out, shoes out Xavi. Wara bathu bamudima nakishiwe. So I'm saying ukuthi ushoes naye le player engingalithanda ukuthi ngibe nalo mbonile kwi Nedbank ebedlala kwi General yase Free State ABC Municipal League.
Okay.
Ebe shine if akathola ngeman of the match ingathi uyitholile is a player engilazi ukuthi lazi ibhola umnandi ofu.
Umnandi ofu. Okay. Baphelele by 5 okushota 1.
I think kushota 2 now.
Okay.
It's Killer Sony Shoes.
Nomgongo.
It's Killer Sony Mgongo.
Oh,
Shoes. Yes.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4 I will go for Uvrupa.
Okay.
The Marseille professional player now. Ebedlala kwi River Park.
Okay. Okay.
I River Park zange phinde ifane since lamfana wa reach potential lebefise
Bekafisa yeah.
Why professional player. Yo. Lamfana wazi ibhola lo.
Okay.
Now he's playing for I think Black Leopard or Venda. Venda Football Club.
Okay. Okay.
It's a best winger, that one. Best winger.
Okay. And then the last one is approach kuyivala.
I am 10 Pushula.
Aw.
Vungulutho.
Yeah.
Odwa Pushula.
Udlalela iphi team?
Engathi udlala ku Vultures.
Oh,
it's a product ka Dunga we Greenfield FC.
Okay.
Ngimbukele bedlala kwisithembisi sebemdlala semuva manje iwingback. Sengukhulisa uMudawu manje. So from number 10 wadlala as a striker bamove number 10 ebe excella as a striker ebe good as a winger ebe good sebemdlalisa wingback now ungikhulisa uMudawu.
Yeah.
Ucela indlela.
Yeah.
So yena mnandi because yi player plus ukunikeza ama options. Ungamdlalisa ngapha, ungamdlalisa ngapha, ungamdlalisa as a attacker, ungamdlalisa as a wing back, ungamdlalisa as a target man.
Okay.
Ukunikeza ama options. Unfortunately maningi ama player ngeke ndiwa mention abanye abazo mention abanye.
Okay.
Engaba mentionanga abafethu doesn't mean ukuthi anikho good nibaningi just le ndoda le istinge unikeza inumber 5 angazi ukuthi what special about number 5
5 impama 5
maybe nabe dlala center back engunumber 5
amna zange ndayidlala ibhola zange at
udlala
all
cricket?
to
Udlala cricket?
anything to do with the sport nje hayi
thanda incwadi
incwadi computer nencwadi screen and ngoku sonika necamera siyahamba
ngiyabona
I think we have less than 5 minutes.
yes
Ne? Now asingene kwizinto nje ezi affect country as a whole. You are a politician.
yes
iAmerica yaba nama allegations about imzansi ngokuba ithatha umhlaba wabilungu ntontontonton about were they 49 or 39? I think they were 49.
Abambileyo.
Abaye bahamba. Yeah. So apparently I've seen
so sala sencenga bahamba
yeah mabamba I've seen on TikTok ukuba ngaba kuma results wale meeting but I've also watched nam le meeting there aba bantu abaya they were from Congo
yes
akusingabane bebesuka apha eSouth Africa
yes
and then iargument yaka Trump ya change ke ngoku yaba izinto ezithethwa kumalema
yes
okay now do you think South Africa can never make it without America?
Look wena nkokheli ne ipolitics okay ama international politics are very very difficult.
Yeah.
I never thought president ofana not Donald Trump, if I'm not mistaken ubuye kwesibini as a president of America.
Yes.
Anga debate ngama hearsay you ukhala ngelinye ilizwe not based on facts.
Yeah.
Ngama allegations,
Allegations.
unfounded allegations. allegations. Because to me, when I analyze alone, I think Trump was not happy with South Africa or mangalela ntoni Israel.
Okay.
Ngalento yaseGaza. So now ufune uhlanganisa anything to retaliate
South Africa.
eSouth Africa ngento iSouth Africa ngomangalela ntoni iGaza ilento wathi call it iIsrael sayiwina la case. You understand?
Yes,
So now
yes.
kunabo AfriForum ezinhlangano zabelungu ezifike zayoxoka pha eAmerica zathetha into ezingekho. I don't know Elon Musk ukuthi ntoni naye afika wayithetha ku Donald Trump
About South Africa.
wayikholelwa without facts.
Yeah.
So now yabona kumnandi ukuthi sidife ideologically.
Yeah.
When we differ ideologically doesn't make us enemies. There are people who differ with uCyril Ramaphosa ukuthi ayephi aye eAmerica. Mna I don't differ with uRamaphosa.
Yeah. Personally, I wasn't for decision ayithathile for
Yes.
going there. Personally,
Yes.
I wasn't for that.
Mina I was happy because you know even when you lead,
Yeah.
listen, if you are a shop steward, umzekelo, umqashi there allegation ufuna implement izinto. When you check legally ezinto lezi ze unlawfully, you challenge employer.
Yeah.
Uthi let me go to that employer. Umqashi ndibona into so. Le nto ufuna uzenze lezi is against the law. When uyaqhubeka uyayenza athi umqashi no. Le nto ndiyayenza, however I didn't know ukuthi le nto ayikho semthethweni but I'm forging ahead. Mna I will say to umqashi, if siyohlulana thina sobabini, there'll be a third party. A third party, I will declare a dispute of unfair labor practice or unfair conduct. You understand? Anything that ozoyenza, it will be unfair. A third party is a CCMA or bargaining council, whereby the commissioner will sit down and take a decision over indeed the right or umqashi right.
Okay.
So uCyril Ramaphosa exposed uTrump ukuthi actually njengoba seveza nalantu yaseCongo ulwa neSouth Africa based on hearsays. I84% yabelungu ngaba ba-own umhlaba eSouth Africa. I21% abantu abamnyama ba-own umhlaba eSouth Africa. The majority of land owners lapha eSouth Africa is white. And le uthi Ramaphosa give me a collateral evidence ethi nangu umhlaba uthathiwe belungu akayivezi uthi hayi 1000
I questioned leyana nam ukuthi how come an information sensitive kanje and dangerous so iyofika ku president to a point where it's even going to be published worldwide, whereas kungana research that's being done ngokufumana ama facts wazo zonke izinto ezekuthethwa ngazo.
When you trust your country, yabona MK, if uyazithemba nguBrown ndiyazithemba ndithi hayi ngena kwam apha kwam angeke uthole ama drugs or ngeke uthole anything that engekho semthethweni.
Yes.
Ifana no Cyril Ramaphosa uthe let's nationalize or let's mayibonakale umhlaba wonke
Okay.
worldwide ukuthi iSouth Africa ithatha umhlaba ngenkani ebelungwini na. Bring your facts. Which is eAmerica ndiyayilandela America. uTrump utshintshe wayento ohlekisa because uveza into zako DRC. Nama uThabo wathi kolithi uRamaphosa mayithetha naye uya interject akakwazi ukumamela umuntu but is a president.
And I even listened to the way he's asking questions. Like you can tell there's no either there's no education or like ikhona nje man something that's missing kuma questions awabuzayo. Like awana bases like unnecessary. It's like ubuza because he's got the right to ask.
Ungikhumbuza my former employer. Ndihlala naye etafuleni.
Yeah.
Xa ndihlala naye etafuleni umqashi wami lo, my former employer. Ubundibuza umbuzo. Uzonibuza imibuzo e3 different. Uyandibuza dike kaphendule or manje qala ukuthi abuze omnye. Manje kaphendula abuze omnye. So lento yenziwe nguTrump unikhumbuza yena because akanayo politics. It's not a politician.
Yeah.
At the same time, level of education yakhe questionable.
Kakhulu.
Doesn't mean ukuthi ungamhlophe ungayi esikolweni. You understand? And bakhona ke ukuleader nako akuyelwa esikolweni. But uyakhona ukufunda during the process. That's why I'm always worried ngama mushroom leaders. Because of a leader unama financial muscles, sim parachute ayo leader into the strategic position. Enze into zika Trump. UTrump uphethe because of unemali. So I'm happy ngoRamaphosa decision ayithathi lathi for the benefit of my country na angithi namanye amazwe mos ebese start to doubt South Africa.
Yeah.
Other people can take it for granted or ngenye indlela abangakho broad in politics because anything eyenzekela is affect the labor.
Well, yes.
So
yes.
After uTrump enze lesa statement ebesenzile ngeSouth Africa before Ramaphosa kuhle ne production eSouth Africa. Loss of company on section 192 of LRA, which is operational requirement. Some companies are akuma layoffs. Some companies akuma short times. So immediately kubekho I company contemplated to retrenchment. How many workers abazoluza umsebenzi?
It's thousands.
When a company yaku short time, it's a signal to retrenchment.
Yes.
I company xa ikuma layoff is inga liquidator a retrenchment. So I production ihlile kakhulu nge-statement esenziwa ngubani nguTrump about thina eSouth Africa ngabelungu, which is ekugcineni uRamaphosa usincedile wayapha is exposed ukuthi lento beyithethela ngamanga.
Okay. Ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe, ningalibali ukubuza ama questions, ningalibali ukucomment, okubalekile ningalibali ukushare guys. This episode must go viral. Please. Mr. Brown.
Hola.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu ndiyabulela ngexesha osinikeze lona today. What is it vele kumele si expect kuwe this year? I know we are approaching I tournament yes3 yase what 58. Sikhona izinto ezispecial osiplanele zona kuyo le tournament leyana, such as award ama players mhlambe. You know what, I've been kula tournaments and I see ama players asafara ngama Cox. Yabo. Award maybe even if it's a best player of the tournament, athola ama iphenyana yama Cox amasha. But because ngeke siyazi isize yakhe singathenga ivoucher maybe so that ngaleyo voucher leyo uzayokhulula yena iCox leyo size yakhe, yabo. Just inyana just encourage amajiti.
Yeah, look wena singa yazi kuthiwa ngesixhosa. Uyasazi isixhosa?
Kakhulu ngumXhosa.
Okay. Namaxhosa angazi isixhosa.
Okay.
Kuthiwa indlwani ekuthethwa ngayo ngasemlilweni. Gqibezela
Kaloku hayi simgqibezelise. Yeah, my podcast.
No, andithi you uyazazi isixhosa.
Okay, but
indlwani ekuthethwa ngayo ngasemlilweni. Indlwani nest. Inest yayazi mos le ntaka.
Indlu yentaka.
Yes. Indlu yentaka xa uthetha ngayo semlilweni iyemkisela.
Okay.
Meaning anifuni
ukhwaza ungekaphuma ehlathini
ngikhwaza ngakaphuma ehlathini I don't want
Nasi isiXhosa nasi isiXhosa okay
so ufuna ndithi ke ngoku andifuni ukhwaza ngakaphuma ehlathini I don't want to make huge promises
ne
remember I tournament wena MK
yes
it's not easy to run a tournament
yo vele
it's very very difficult
Yeah,
there is a lot of hard work behind this so that's why ubona ama tournament amaninja atshintshe sponsor time and again because it's not easy to be a tournament organizer so yes zikhona ama promises but I don't want to ukuthi disclose at this current point in time and another thing that you've mentioned Tina we tend to focus on the first prize we forget about players
you forget a lot about players
but kunento esenziwa isinekeneke festive pre-festive games esaSoweto
okay
bebewanika ama player ama awards ama soccer boots ama check into ezinjalo ndayithanda lento but it depend
ngokwesponsor
ukuthi ube ne sponsor esinemali
engakanani
and another thing MK siyabonga man ngale decision wayithatha ukuthi usihlalise kanje into thina sizazela kude sisentsha ukuthi and it's good ukuthi usondeze ebantwini you understand
yes
so don't lose hope before kube mhlophe qale kube mnyama
kakhulu
and le step usithathile sihle kabi we will also try and hustle maybe kulama company la nayi lento imall unayo ikhona imall lapha ngakuwo you can approach ucancel mzi it's a very good gentleman dinele le show yami endiyenzayo dibiza ama coaches asekasi bla 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 bla
yes
ndicela ndenzele meeting nantoni ne boxer management ngicela ningisupply ngamanzi you don't need izinto sometimes akudingekanga ukuthi uzodinga imali
yini into yawathenga lamanzi
ucela imali uyabona uyathenga lamanzi bakusupply so ilapha ecani kwakho umzi angeke ngakuncidi you understand so izokhula nawe
dise what 57 umzi use what 53
yes but this lento yenzayo is not
I caterally wadi A1 because ubuye what 58
it's not a word based
it's not a word based
ifana ne sponsor when you look around ama sponsors it's not word based and uzubiza I won't mention I sponsor sponsor kwenye indawo esingahlali kwenye indawo but wena you must take away lento ukuthi use what 57 therefore funeka umarket around
thing is even when you don't want to look at it in a perspective of politics politics zihlala zinamandla zihlala zinamandla as to uhlala phi ukuba uphethwe ngibani kanjani what 57 now is under EPA it's very difficult to even approach ANC and ask for help or to approach EFF or to approach in you always have to go to EPA and say and then there's still stories nalapho
no but
so
it depend kwilento man kuwe
mhlawumbe nge-approach endiyisebenzisayo
approach or when you are you know sometimes yabona lento zenzayo azifuni nibe very much involved in politics mhlawumbe when you are occupying a key strategic position ku PE so obviously xa kwenye political party uzazi ukuthi wena usebenza ngento ekufuna ube neutral iza kunikeza ntoni ama challenges
Yes.
because nam ndingu brown if I'm not politically matured ndizothi xa uza kum ndithi hayi ndoda because of ukwenye political party
Okay.
angeke ndikuncede.
Yeah.
It needs someone or political matured ukuthi actually ndinceda a human andincedi political party irregardless of your political affiliate kunomuntu odinga usizo.
Yeah, ne.
That's why uNelson Mandela, the first democratic president, kwi-cabinet yakhe kwakhona the late umntwana kaphinda ngene abo de Klerk wababiza. So to show ukuthi noba irregardless of kweyiphi political affiliate but i-vision yakho iba sina something esishare in common,
Yeah.
I can utilize you.
Yeah.
So
Okay. To also make this one clear, EMK is not affiliated with any political party. And if ever there's any political leader that's watching this right now and that is convinced Guti we are affiliated, come forward. Please.
no, hayi ngiyakwazi.
Yeah.
Wena indaba zepolitiki hayi.
Come forward.
Into yokugqibela